guys, it's Andy from Liquis Design, back with another marketing tip to help you build a profitable audience. Today we're talking about 5 tips to generate qualified leads. Tip number 1, start with a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free resource or item that you will give to somebody who is kind of like in your realm of ideal audience members. So it would be something specific to your main product or service, or something that would kind of catch the eye of your ideal customer. Tip number 2, lead pages. So you've caught the attention of your ideal customer through your lead magnet, but the next step is to get them over to your lead page. Your lead page is essentially an extension of your website or a landing page that kind of draws them in a little bit more. You can have a little bit more of an opportunity to speak to their pain point and guide them to your help. So you can be that person or that resource that they're really looking for. And on this lead page is where the magic really happens, because you are drawing them in, you're getting them to commit. So the lead magnet got them there, and now you need to make them convert. There's a form on the lead page where they fill it out with their information. The shorter the better. Basically, if you can get their email address, their name, that's pretty awesome. So they give you that information in exchange for what you promised through your lead magnet, whatever that free item or resource is. Tip number 3, utilize an email marketing platform. What I mean by an email marketing platform is something like MailChimp, which I'm sure you've heard of. Our personal favorite is Autopilot, something where you can set up an automated sequence so that people can have a experience through an email that kind of gets them nurtured into what you are offering. Tip number 4, so before you can nurture your audience, you need to have segregated lists based off of what your product or service, whatever you are offering in your lead magnet. So you want to have a different audience sector that you have in mind for each sequence or each journey that you're taking them through to be most effective. Tip number 5, retarget. So what that means is, as time goes on and they've kind of been getting to know you, taking advantage of some of the cool stuff that you're offering them, you can retarget them later with your latest product or service or promotion. You already kind of know them based off of their list, what they're interested in, and you really have a better idea how to convert them into a sale. Alright guys, so that's it. There's your 5 tips to generate qualified leads, and even a little extra to help you convert them in the end. I hope you enjoyed this. If this made sense to you or you learned something new, please type yes in the comments so that I know what I'm giving you guys is good information. If you have an idea for something new or a topic that you want me to talk about, just drop me a line. I'll put my contact info in the comments for you. And that is it for today. I hope you have a great one.